Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants waffle. Press chilled croissant dough gently into a hot, greased waffle iron, close lid, and cook until deep golden brown. Flip if your iron allows even heat contact, but many irons cook perfectly without flipping. Let waffles rest briefly so layers set and butter firms, then serve warm with jam, honey, or powdered sugar for a delightful flaky treat. Prepare your croissant dough by unfolding or rolling gently to maintain laminated layers and trim to fit your waffle iron. Lightly egg wash the surface for color and sheen, then chill the pieces briefly to firm the butter. Preheat the waffle iron to medium-high heat and grease with a neutral oil or nonstick spray to prevent sticking. Working chilled helps achieve crisp, flaky layers once cooked. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, for a fresh ride between bakery runs, pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a bold, long-lasting scent that makes every drive nicer. I've linked it in the description along with other deals and helpful items you might want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the croissant piece in the center of the hot iron, close the lid gently, and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your waffle iron. Look for a deep golden brown and reduced steam as signs of doneness. If edges brown too fast, lower the heat and finish in a 350 degrees F oven for a few minutes to crisp the interior. Let rest a minute before removing to preserve flakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.